Hey guys, it's me Ashlyn, and today I'm going to be making some slime. I've seen like white glue added to clear glue. It looked super cool to me. Like it just looked better. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I got my borax water, I got my shaving gel. I recommend this if you want jiggly-ish slime. Then you need some glue. I'm using these two. They're both Elmer's, but they're different kinds. One of the clear ones. And I need a bowl, and I need a mixing utensil. Someone, could you get me one? So, could you get me a... And color is, you can use color, but I'm not going to use color for today. So you're going to take my glue. Well, not my glue, some glue. Can I start, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so.
What's a mixing utensil?
Like a spoon. Sorry, my mom's not into slime making. She doesn't know all the mechanics of making slime. So, once you poured your glue, I'm not done. I'll show you what you do next. So this is for brand new slime makers. If you want to try making slime or something like that, this is the most common version of slime. In my first video, I was like brand new to slime. So I thought I had come up with the first recipe, but I didn't. That is actually one of the recipes. You could actually make an iceberg slime out of that. I'll make another video on that. It's actually just this recipe with like a container. Add the clear. Whoa! Looks weird, like I'm not trying to go for like a clear slime or anything like that. Just trying to make a white slime because that's why I got white glue in it. Okay. Stop running. Okay. I don't personally like clear slime because it always sticks to me after a while. What? What the heck? Yeah, it just makes it look more glossy and stuff to me. It just looks better with the clear glue. I don't know why. I think it just, to me, it makes it more white. It's pearl white. Could add a little more. Because I know I didn't use the whole thing. Wow. Okay, that's pretty much it in the bottle. I am very weak, so I can barely do that much. Like squeezing. So, once you've mixed all that in, you're going to take shaving cream. I use this brand because it makes it more jiggly-ish. And if you want it super jiggly, you just spray the whole thing. That I want more on the jiggly side of slime, so it won't work with like shaving foam. It only works with like shaving gel. So that's why I'm adding a lot, because I want it to be like more of a jiggly slime. Mine's gonna be, I forgot something. I forgot my color. I actually am gonna do this. I didn't want it to be pink because I got too many pink slimes. It's gonna be more like purpley-ish. So there we go. Now I'm gonna add some foaming hand soap. This is optional. Mom, could you give me the foaming hand soap, please?
Where is it? This.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Here you go. Now that is optional. I just like mine to be more of like a bubbly-ish slime. So this is my mixture so far. Right now it actually looks really ugly. It looks like gray. Okay, okay, I'm gonna try adding more blue. Okay, there we go. That's all we can get out. It's more of like a grayish type of slime, but that's okay. So once you've got all those ingredients, including the extras that you can do like optional, mine is like this cool color. It looks white on camera, but it's actually not. It's like more of a really light blue. Then you're gonna take, there is, I think more than 3, but I only know 3. So these are the 3 I know. Contacts in solution, borax water, don't touch the borax, you could hurt your hands, and eye drops. Those are the 3 I know. So I'm gonna add a little at a time. There we go. Then mix that in until it's not sticky. Whoa, my slime. It's gonna be like, let's add that whole thing. Okay, so the next ingredient is this really cool glitter stuff.
Mark,
Huh?
will it all fall out? It's big.
I'll add it in last.
But not much.
No. I think right now I'm gonna go in with my hands. This is like the lightest slime I've ever felt. I think adding that foaming hand soap was the best idea. This is like, could you make some more borax water, Mom? I personally use borax water because I didn't know any other activator, so I was kind of stupid at slime, and then I told my mom that once, so she had to go buy it, and now I have a humongous container of it. Feels so satisfying. Oh, also big shout out to Kay Schlagel. Her channel's awesome. She's my bestest friend. She goes to school with me. I actually helped her get a channel. So she better shout me out. I'm kidding. That'd be rude for me to just say, give me a shout out or I won't help you get a channel. But whatever. Get this stuff off there. Okay. Could you pour some in, Mom? Thank you. A little more. Okay, that's good.
Mm.
It doesn't have if you are using borax, it doesn't have to be dissolved, but it's better to be dissolved. I don't personally let it dissolve. I want to make the slime ASAP because I'm that type of slimer. It's like I got glue, I make slime. I got contact solution and glue, I make slime. So, well, not contacts and solution, I mean, like, this stuff. Could you add some more activator, please, Mom? Thank you. Oh, my arms are getting so tired. Okay, so. I also know another type of activator, Tide washing stuff. This is going to be more on the thicker side of slime. You will see the slime in Slime Pet Peeves, because I like to do a lot of that stuff. I honestly don't like offending people, because I feel like if they watch that video and then they do the pet peeves, they will feel like horrible, but that's just my opinion. But I guess that's just how slime is made. Either slime pet peeves or no pet peeves at all. Or, I mean, no slime at all. Eesh. Okay, whatever. Whoa. So, the test that I usually do, if you could squeeze it and it doesn't, like stick to you, that's it. Then I am like, okay, my slime is done. I'm going to have on the bigger side of slime. Ugh. Ah! I like getting my hands dirty and trying new things. Oh, and these are some of my favorite YouTubers. Popular MMOs. Big. You're the shout out of the day. That's what I call it. It's not just shout out. Shout out of the day. Great popping noises. I said noises. Weird. And if it's stringy, it's fine. By the time you get in the morning, it's going to be not as stringy. But as you play with it, it's not going to be as stringy. My favorite thing about slime is when you get the bubbles.